Ready to push your limits? Whether you're tearing through dirt or eyeing that next big jump, you need wheels that perform. Meet Milk Racing Wheels. Precision tuned for speed, reinforced for impact, designed for control. Ride smoother, corner sharper, and take your skills to the next level.
That is some good milk. Hey there, my name is the Outlaw Joe, and today I got something special to share with you. We're talking wheels, and not just any wheels, but milk racing wheels. If you're looking for a game-changing experience on the track or the street, you're gonna want to stick around. So, who is Milk Racing? Well, they're a company based in Poland who specializes in crafting custom wheel sets tailored just for you. Ordering online is a breeze thanks to their super simple step-by-step process. You get to design your wheels exactly how you want them. Whether you're tearing up the dirt, like mine, or you're cruising up the streets, Milk's got you covered. Now, before we dive into my setup, let's check out some of their own amazing builds. As you can see, the customization options are endless. You can go wild with your design. It's not just a set of wheels. It's your wheels. Oh, and assembly, Milk's got you covered there as well. They provide all the tools necessary to change your wheels. Like, seriously, they make it so easy for the customer. And quick tip, I'd remove the kickstand because with the bigger wheel setup, it made it lean a little bit too much than what I would like. But that's alright because I got this stand. The compliments you'll receive will make it worth every second. These wheels turn heads. I've received a ton of feedback and I know you will too. So, what's my final take? I give Milk Racing Wheels a solid 10 out of 10. These wheels make riding so much more enjoyable. You truly feel more connected to the bike, and that leads to a better ride every time on the track. And let's be real, you don't want these covered in mud, so you better keep them clean, because these things are going to be the envy of your friends. And a huge shout out to Milk for building such an amazing product. If you don't have yourself a set of these Milk Racing wheels, what are you waiting for? You need to get your hands on to experience the difference right now.